Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing over 200 YouTube content ideas for you to film on your channel. So I'm sharing this list to inspire you to keep creating. I'm sharing this list so you don't run out of content. I'm sharing this list to help you stay consistent on the YouTube and also watch your channel grow. Some of these topics I have created for my channel already, and if I must confess, I've started seeing significant growth in my channel already. And for the rest of them, I'm working on putting out content on them on my channel. Okay, so I'm in the beauty, fashion, lifestyle niche. You feel free to tailor this list to your own niche. Okay, and without further ado, you guys, let's get right into this video. So because I don't want this video to be too long, I'm just going to read them out to you. I'm not going to spend so much time on explaining it, but if I would tell you one thing, they are all self-explanatory actually. Guys, let's go. Get to know me tag, Q&A, a day in my life, days in my life, a week in my life, weekly vlog, weekend vlog, maintenance vlog, affordable maintenance vlog, DIY at home maintenance vlog, get ready with me, chit chat, get ready with me, Q&A, story time, wig install for beginners, installing a wig for the first time, natural hair videos, natural hair wash day routine, birthday preparation, birthday photo shoot vlog, birthday vlog, what I got for my birthday, what I got for my anniversary, what I got for Christmas, pack with me, vacation preparation, vacation vlog, being a mom for 24 hours, even if you don't have your own baby yet. If you're a single, you don't have your own baby yet, you can go get your friend's baby or your sister's baby and just take care of the baby for a whole 24 hours. You will see that is a lot of work, but you're going to enjoy it, okay? And get ready for your own babies as well. Being a single mom for 24 hours, trying foreign snacks, assumptions about me, asking questions you're too afraid to ask, answering questions you are avoiding, how I plan my content for YouTube, how I film my content for YouTube, how I film my content for YouTube with my iPhone, how I film my content for YouTube with my phone, how I edit my YouTube videos, how I edit my thumbnail, how I edit my Instagram pictures, husband, boyfriend, sister, best friend tag, summer lookbook, etc., winter lookbook, Hamatan lookbook, all of the seasons lookbook, just truth or drink, never have I ever, would you rather, vlogtober, vlogmas, videos related to Christmas wish list, birthday wish list, friendsgiving vlog, lit playlist, my current playlist, summer playlist, etc. Okay, different seasons playlist, in my feeling playlist, workout playlist, workout routine, deep cleaning room, deep cleaning apartment, mental health check-in, reacting to subscribers TikTok, rating my subscribers outfits. My husband does my voiceover. It could be your dad, it could be your mom, it could be your best friend, it could be your boyfriend. Doing my husband's makeup, my husband does my makeup, husband chooses my outfit, eating red for 24 hours, etc. It could be eating green for 24 hours, could be eating white for 24 hours. Like whatever food you're going to eat in a whole day should be a particular color. Okay, it's actually a fun video to create. What I wear in a day, what I wear in a week, room makeover, apartment makeover, what's on my iPhone, a productive day in my life, waking up at 5 a.m. every day for a week, cleaning out my closet, edible wig video, edible makeup video, bake with me, cook with me, clean with me, study with me, drive with me, car tour, apartment hunting, moving out vlog, shopping for my new apartment vlog, furnishing my new apartment vlog, packaging orders, how to start your own business, how I started my own business, small business tips and tricks, small business vendor list, bomb to baddie, basics to baddie, date night vlog, at home date night vlog, surprising my husband for his birthday, I threw my husband a surprise birthday party. Huge winter try-on haul, etc. for different seasons. Husband rates my outfits. Fashion Nova try-on haul, Shein try-on haul, etc. What I ordered versus what I got. Doing my own box braids. DIY taking out my own box braids. Easy box braid styles. How to wash your box braids. How to style braids with scarves. Nail vlog, hair vlog, recreating Pinterest outfits, recreating Pinterest hairstyles, styling my husband's hair, natural hairstyles for 4C hair, big chop update video, makeup tutorial for beginners, everyday makeup routine, nude makeup tutorial, natural makeup tutorial, soft glam, soft girl makeup, clean girl makeup, no makeup look, makeup challenge videos, no mirror makeup challenge, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes makeup challenge. You can do this alone or do it with a friend. Smash or pass, bottle flip challenge, Lagos slangs, New York slangs, Jamaican slangs, etc. The Nigerian tag, doing my makeup in a particular language. It could be Yoruba, it could be Igbo, it could be Italian, it could be Spanish, any other, maybe like your second or your third language, okay? Any other language that you can speak, even if not fluent, okay? A little. That's the fun of it, actually. Morning routine, night routine, day in the life of a makeup artist if you're a makeup artist. If you are not, a day in the life of whatever profession you're in. Makeup tutorial, voice over, okay? A voice over makeup tutorial. Product review, trying out new products, skincare routine, affordable skincare routine, updated skincare routine, eyebrow tutorial, updated eyebrow tutorial, foundation routine, updated foundation routine. Face masks, it could be turmeric face masks for 7 days or tomato face masks for 7 days, you know, etc. My favorite skincare products, recreating a celebrity makeup look, full face using one brand, eyeshadow tutorial, lifestyle vlog, makeup haul, product haul, skincare haul, eyeshadow palette review, doing a full eye look using just one palette, organizing my makeup space, my favorite makeup product, cut crease eyeshadow tutorial, makeup advice, thrift with me, drugstore makeup haul, makeup do's and don'ts, how to videos, how to do dash 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 anything, giveaway videos, apps to use when you're bored. I ran a mile for 7 days. Tips on having a successful YouTube channel. A summer day in my life, etc. Different seasons. It could be a winter day in my life, a fall day in my life, a harmattan day in my life, a rainy day in my life. If you're from Nigeria or Africa that don't have summer or winter and all of that. Easy DIYs to do at home. Small YouTuber support. Trying TikTok recipes, Netflix favorites, Netflix recommendations, Dex makeover, song cover, things I can't live without, my favorite underrated YouTubers, trying out everything in my closet, ASMR videos, trying ASMR. I think it's pronounced as ASMR. I'm not sure, but yeah, ASMR. Unboxing videos, 10 things to do when you are bored, testing TikTok hack, unpopular opinion, problem day in my life. When you're having a bad day, film it. Don't just come and be showing us when everything is rosy and all of that. When the day is not green, when you are crying, film it, okay? Don't come and you might not show us, but yeah, show us if you want to. Learning TikTok difficult dances, first day of school vlog, last day of school vlog, back to school supplies, self-care day, self-care night, what I wore in a week, 10 workout hairstyles, wearing solid colors every day for a week, going vegan for a week, my real morning routine. My real morning routine. Who knows me better, featuring both parents, siblings, or friends. 10 facts about me, 10 fun facts about me, 10 random facts about me, any of them. What's in my bag or what's in my purse. Drinking a gallon of water every day for 1 week. Oh, your body will be fresh. Oh, mama, done. DIY videos, mistakes to avoid when starting a YouTube channel, apps every YouTuber needs, 10 gift ideas, apps you need when starting a YouTube channel, how-to videos, how to do anything. Yeah, those videos they do well. Video ideas like the one I'm doing right now. Taking myself out on a date. Very interesting one to do. It's not every time somebody will be taken out. Sometimes you spend your own money, okay? Chop your own money sometimes. Not sometimes, actually, every time. Mukbang, mukbang Q&A, mukbang get ready with me, mukbang chit chat, mukbang videos in general. Even if you don't have to do anything, maybe just have a huge plate of food in front of you. Don't say I tell you to become a glutton, okay? No, just eat in our front. Let us see you eat. I actually enjoy watching this type of films. I said films, videos. I actually enjoy watching it. Those Chinese, on this book can eat too. Eating different things, especially octopus. I said nothing. Girl talk videos, recent purchases, shoe collection, bag collection, feminine hygiene routine, hygiene tips, hygiene haul, shower routine, pampering day vlog, going shopping for hygiene haul, my first YouTube paycheck. I cannot wait to do this particular video. Hello. Glow up transformation, dyeing my hair, relaxing my natural hair, relaxing my natural hair after dash 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 years. Morning routine visual diary. This one you go about your morning routine but you're not saying anything, okay? It's just a soft music in the background, you know, and just you going about your day. It's actually a relaxing vlog to watch. I enjoy watching those kinds of vlogs actually. And that's it, you guys. Over 200. Okay, not over. Is it over? Almost 230 YouTube videos ideas, guys. Film away. Go ahead and create content. Go ahead and create videos. Go ahead and stay consistent on the app. And one day, ladies and gentlemen, our hustle go pay. Hello. Thank you guys for watching. If you watched up to this point, I hope that my American viewers can understand my local accent. I try to speak like, hope you can understand it. Hope you can. I believe you can. Thank you guys for watching. If you watched up to this point, it does mean a lot to me, okay? Do well to give the video a big thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and until I see you guys in the video going up tomorrow, please go ahead and check this video out and engage it as well. Until I see you in this video, mwah.